targeting the US audience for your Amazon affiliate marketing is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can target the United States of America's audience for your Amazon's affiliate marketing. So for that, you have to be an Amazon associate first. So for that, you have to go to this link, which is affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Now here, you guys will be able to see the options that how you guys can be an affiliate for the Amazon. So you need to create an account. After that, you need to select some of the products that you want to affiliate with, and then the third process is you can earn. Now, how you guys can specifically target the United States audience to buy the products? So you need to create the content. So how can you create the content? You need to create the content in English, and you need to try to create the content that is more consumed in Americas. So you can start creating those cool reels in which they tells like Amazon products part 1, Amazon products part 2. These type of videos, you can start creating these type of videos just because these type of videos are more consumed in the side of United States. You just need to create videos in English, try to mimic the style that is more consumed in the side in the US side. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can target the US audience for your Amazon affiliate marketing program. Hope you guys find this video helpful.